Yeah. Yeah, motherfucker. I smoke up the ganja when I can. I smoke the ganja across the land. I've smoked it all the way from California to Pennsylvania and back again. I do everything when I smoke my ganja. I do it all. I surf, I skate, I brawl. I don't give a fuck. I'm sorta tall. I'm not no Quaker, even though I look like one. I got more bread in my basket. I'm corn-fed and I'm number one. I don't give a fuck. If you know I smoke ganja, I represent that shit for real. I'm from Main Street, motherfucking Long Beach, my whole goddamn life. I've been through it all. My dad sold drugs, and it was a crazy life. You all know him as the Papstick, the baddest motherfucker on the planet. Papstick was as raw can get, you know that. I don't even know what else to say. I say it all day and anyway. Who on them are the strongest of the motherfuckers in the land? We not no goddamn mafia, but shit, man, you might as well call it that, eh? Nah, I'm just playing. Fuck yeah, I'm fucking crazy. Shit, if this video ain't telling you that, dude, you motherfuckers is crazy. Wow. Man, I'm just happy to be alive. Shit. You know what I'm saying? Hey, fuck that joint. Got this one. Hey, go ahead. Okay. Get back to the story. I'm from the motherfucking LBC. I'm very motherfucking proud of it, yes sirree. I don't give a fuck if you left here. You'll still be my homie for the rest of my years. All of my crew that's all over the planet. Cool one, yes you know I gotta say, god damn it. We need a fucking reunion really quick before I kick the goddamn motherfucking bucket. Hey, who on all the dawn of the Main Street Simon? We're long, with the cheeks to dawn. And the MSL crew, we all know who the fuck we are and who the fuck are you, hey? That's right. You want some of this shit? What? I don't give a fuck if this sucks. It's not for you, it's for me. I'm bored as fuck. Yeah, man. Stretch that shit out. Gundo. Fucking dogs. My neighbors is coughing. You hear that shit? Yeah. We all smoke weed. Shit. What?